breaking the wall of fuel pollution. Abbé Valère Eddy, Falling Walls Lab, Abidjan.
I'm sad today because the world is going from bad to worse, such as global warming. And in this context, gas pollution represents 3/4 of greenhouse pollution. And this is also one of the causes of one causes for the pollution. And in this context, gas pollution represents 3/4 of greenhouse pollution. And this is also one of the causes of cancers, diseases, and definitely diseases in our environment. It's important today to ask yourself the right question. What will become of our existence if oxygen is destroyed? Our world will be nothing other than an arid land, an unlivable land. Maybe the only benefit we get from it will be that we no longer need to spend billions to go and explore the planet Mars, because it would already be under our feet. So after several years of study in our laboratory, we found a solution. We create a new source of natural energy. This is our bioethanol, which is an alternative fuel produced from liquid cassava waste, being not competitive in the food chain and contributing in a strategic approach to food self-sufficiency. This bioethanol, which in the energy mix at 10% of gasoline, reduces carbon emission by more than 66%. Look, it can even be used for cooking. Isn't that wonderful for us human beings who love to eat so much? Several problems solved in one product. Into our calculations, the combustion of 500 grams of our bioethanol generates 956 grams of carbon, compared to that 500 grams of gasoline emits 1,549 grams of carbon into the sky after the combustion. We have only one world, and you must save it by breaking the wall of the fuel pollution by using bioethanol. Thank you very much.